Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Covercraft custom canine rear seat protectors on this 2021 Toyota Corolla. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's my seat protector. This is the bottom of the seat bottom, and this is the back side of the seat back. I've got it folded in half so I can get it set in place. What I'm gonna do, this skirt right here needs to lip over top the edge of the seat bottom. So we're gonna kind of hook that in place all the way around. And now we can kind of draw everything back kind of tight. Now we're also gonna see we've got some of these little pillows that are stitched in. These are what are gonna be anchoring the seat back in place. So what I need to do to get that fit in place is I'm going to take and push the seat back forward. That's going to give me a little bit of an opening down here so I can tuck the pillows in there. If you've got a vehicle, the seat back doesn't come forward, you might need to lift up the seat bottom to get that same spacing. But once we've got that, we're going to go ahead and fit the pillows down in there. And then we can go ahead and put that back. You can do that on this side as well. All right, next, we're gonna go ahead and raise up the seat back. We've got Velcro. It's gonna go around the headrest and refasten. And then we've also got these pieces right here that are gonna tuck between the seat back and the C-pillar back here. And in the middle, we've also got a Velcro strap. I'm gonna hang that around the back side. All right, we've also got pockets that open up and reveal seat belts, so you can still use those. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the links in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.